And I came into teaching not realizing that this was where I belonged, where I wanted to be, to work with the families and work with the students to get them to the place where they have all the opportunities that they deserve in their life. And that goes for what jobs they want to have, that goes for where they want to live, where they want to settle down and have their families, and what kind of success they can achieve in their lifetime. Madison, I think, has done a really, really good job of helping catalyze a community that's been has been desiring like the opportunity for a step up, and now has the opportunity to take advantage of it with a public school that's given students the chance to go from kindergarten all the way up through 12th grade with the same adults there to support them, the same support staff to be there, the same after school staff, the same structure to really take them to like the next level. I'm lucky to be here.